Check it out. Look what I got in the mail. It's going to be my Keysmart. I know it. Oh yeah. Look at that. Can't wait to use this. I'm so used to having all my keys on one keychain. It's all jumbled, but now this allows me to put it right in the middle, right there. First impression, this thing is really small. It's like smaller than a pack of gum, so I'm excited to put it in my pocket. Awesome. Honestly, I have so many keys on this thing. It's super annoying. All right, let's get this last key in here. Lined up. All right, that took about 60 seconds total to get all my keys in there. So my new friend is very compactable. As you can see, it holds all my keys nice and snug, and it's easy to assemble, easy to pull out any key you need to use for whatever you're gonna open. Doesn't bend, made of strong material, aircraft grade aluminum. It's really, really strong, so it's not getting battered up or anything like that. That was so easy. I should have switched to Keysmart sooner.